Smile. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Reshma Suryavanshi from Vadodara, Gujarat. I welcome all of you to this channel Pulse Clinic. In this video, I am going to share about my upcoming acupuncture course, which is online course. All of you interested into acupressure and acupuncture, they can join this course because the theory remains same for acupuncture or acupressure. Basically, this is the course in which you are going to learn about the acupuncture point according to the traditional Chinese medicine, and which is under the WHO guidelines. So the whole course is according to the WHO guidelines, and everyone who is interested in a healing modality which they can do by themselves, they can also attend this, because one of the modality in this course is acupressure. So on this TCM points you can do acupressure at home, and those who want to take this as a profession can also join this course, because they can do acupuncture, which is one more modality of treatment, and various other modalities of treatment also you are going to learn in this course. The basic content of this course is fundamental of acupuncture, and in this fundamental of acupuncture you are going to learn the common definition of acupuncture point, what is meridian, regarding Tai Chi, regarding Kan measurements, tonification and sedation. You are going to learn about the propagated sensation along the channel. You will learn theories of acupuncture like theory of yin and yang, fire element theory, organ clock theory, Zhang Fu theory. Apart from this, you will be learning about the action of acupuncture, indication of acupuncture, limitation, contraindications, precautions and complication. You will be learning about the various modes of acupuncture which I started in this video earlier. So the various mode of acupuncture are electroacupuncture, acupressure, moxibustion, cupping, laser acupuncture, tense acupuncture, plum blossom therapy. You will also have an information of the embedding acupuncture theory and various other modes of modalities of acupuncture. So there is a lot for people who want to do it professionally. Those who will join this course can be a professional acupuncturist. Now you will be also learning about the anatomy of the acupuncture, introduction to the human anatomy, surface anatomy, then location and indication of the commonly used points of all the meridians. You will be learning about the acupuncture therapeutics also here. When I say about the anatomical correspondence of the acupuncture points means, you will be learning according to the anatomical landmarks. For example, like LI4 is one point. So LI4, the location, you will be learning it into the anatomical reference. That is, LI4 is a point which is on the dorsum of the hand between the first and the second metacarpal bone, and it is in the midpoint at the radial side. So you are going to learn all the acupuncture points according to the anatomy of the acupuncture. So it will be a detailed course, and if you miss the live classes, recording of the classes will also be sent to you, PDF will be sent to you, worksheets will be sent to you. So it will be really intensive training program. So those who are looking for an intensive training program in acupuncture should definitely join this course. You will be learning about the acupuncture therapeutics like types and uses of acupuncture points, alarum point, Jingwell point, new front and back shoe point, Yansos point, Zelef point, distal point, influential point, Leo connecting point, orrery, mother, son, foregut, etc. You will be learning of the principles of acupuncture point selection, which is very important. By this course you will be able to make a prescription of your own, because you will be learning about the principle of acupuncture point selection. Still, we will be giving you some fixed prescriptions of treatment of common disorders treated by acupuncture, which is according to the WHO guidelines. So I welcome all of you to this online course of acupuncture, and my clinic is at Vadodara, Gujarat. After doing this online course, anyone if wish to do practicals can definitely come to us after the lockdown period. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hope to see all of you into my class.